My name is Sachin Prabhu. I am the CommTel account manager. I mainly look after two regions, Queensland and Victoria. As part of my role, I look after customer accounts as well as developing new business for CommTel.
My name is Nilesh Joshi. I'm a General Manager, Supply and Solution Business Unit, working here for last 17 years. As a Supply and Solution Business Unit, we are responsible for providing the end-to-end solution to our customers and the products from the different vendors.
My name's Nigel Zoldek. I work for AusNet Services in Victoria. I look after the communications network. We look after transmission and distribution. We've been in partnership with CommTel for many years now. We know that they've got the people and resources to help us with the future workload we've got. They've got people that can do the job that only power industry people understand. With the end-of-life products, we engage CommTel to help us look for new technology. They then set up and tested that equipment for us and proven that the technology is suitable for our applications.
As part of the solution, we were looking at a particular technology which we had conducted some extensive testing on, and we felt that met the requirements of the AusNet network, and that's where CommTel proposed to them a product from OTN Networks called Extran. From a process level, there were a few milestones that had to be achieved. Firstly, CommTel had done internal testing of the technology and the solution to make sure that the product met the industry requirements. Then we had to do extensive proof of concept testing with AusNet to ensure that the product met the AusNet requirements. Further to this, there were factory visits to the vendors' facilities to ensure that not just the product but the organization was stable enough to supply equipment over a long term.
With the renewable generations coming on board, we've found that we haven't got enough staff to actually meet the resources required to deliver those projects. So we've looked for CommTel to provide extra resourcing during those peak times.
Given the growth in the renewables in Australia and AusNet being a transmission company, AusNet will be tasked to connect all the renewables to the main line. So CommTel and AusNet will be working closely in ensuring that the renewable projects are delivered successfully.
The network transformation journey consists of 5 different steps. The step number 1 being the technical inputs, the requirement gathering, where we sit with the AusNet stakeholders and collect all the information. The step number 2 is the analysis, where we do the analysis of the requirement, try to see how it will be made by the existing network or what kind of a modernization is required, which particular technology will be suitable to meet that particular requirement, as well as the look at the migration approach. Step number 3 is the lab testing, wherein we get all the different technology products, including the applications, like here in this case AusNet got their Teleprotection release and the experts came over here and we did the lab testing. Step number 4 being the field trial. We conducted the field trial in the one of the site, and that particular field trial gives you a real life experience of the new technology as well as the integration with the existing network. And then step number 5 is analysis of all the results from both the field and the lab trial, and then approval of going forward with that particular technology.
The best thing about collaborating with CommTel is we can take a problem straight to CommTel and they can analyse the problem, do a bit of research on the problem and come back with some solutions from other vendors and other products on the market. As a communications provider for the power industry, I think CommTel's a good partner because they know what we are talking about. They're better than a normal telecommunications company. They understand the issues that we would have to deal with.
The utility industry as a whole has started looking up to CommTel as a partner of choice, and this has helped us in developing new relationship with newer customers. So based on that, I would say that CommTel would be working with the industry as a whole to provide a path to move forward from existing end-of-life products.